this is what life is really made of, man. Okay, we finally left. It's 6:30 in the morning. We were up at 5. The weather is beautiful. I think it's 18 degrees.
Jim, Missouri.
Yeah. Shruti ko bukka aaya hai. Okay, it's 11:30. I cannot sleep. I took a nap in the evening. I'm not getting sleep at all. Yeah, so not getting sleep at all. So we thought we'll have a peanut butter toast. And it's raining. It's one of those days. And we're in the pantry now. You can't pick this up?
No, it's far, right? There's a lot of stuff in the front.
No, try.
No, it's a lot of stuff in the front.
See?
It's gonna be difficult. I don't have to climb over that chair.
Peanut butter!
I'm doing
That's massive, bro. May she makes.
I'm doing 2 toasts.
That's a lot of orders going out. May she makes. If you'd like to order, this is the best peanut butter. Look at that. We have some names without violating privacy.
And I toasted 2 breads because I would like 1 for the butcher.
Can you open this? We'll just show everyone how amazing May she makes is doing with the peanut butter. Guys, look at that. What such goodness. It's beautiful.
I did 2 toasts now, 1 for them, 1 for me.
All right. Muchas gracias. Gabi, chalo baat bhaiya ke paas ja. Again, gotta pick this up.
I'm gonna put both the toasts in the same plate. You're gonna make it that the kids have as well.
Take it. Ja.
And then I'll do peanut butter for them.
मिलेगा दोनों बाबों को मिलेगा पीनट बटर मिलेगा पीनट बटर मिलेगा छोटे छोटे को मिलेगा
That is for them, that's for you.
पीनट बटर मिलेगा yummy yummy मिलेगा
Eat with a spoon because it's butter.
Bro, that's a lot of peanut butter for them.
It's good, Karan. It's not much.
Yochi को very hungry.
चलो
आजी की जीती क्रांति जी चलो चलो चलो
बल्कि पीसेस में खिलाइयो ऐसे मत पूरा मत डालियो.
Sit. Oi, Chotu. So beautiful. Gaggu, काती काती कर रही है.
एक को चम्मच दे दे, एक को प्लेट दे.
जानू वीडियो मत मेरे भाई आपने खा तो लिया है कितनी झंझट. Man, it's precisely moments like these that make life worth living. It's raining, you're at home, your sibling and you have just fixed a little snack at night, whether it's Maggie or tea or whether it's peanut butter toast. This is what life is really made of, man. Now I'll rinse my mouth and try and fall asleep again, and hopefully I fall asleep because my alarm is set for 5 in the morning. I want to wake up and start my day on time. Alright, all dressed and stuff. Let's quickly go and pray. That's the first thing I want to do. I've showered and we shall now go pray and thank the divine for everything. Morning. As you guys are aware, it was raining the entire night, but today it's cleared up. I mean, it's still overcast, but at least it's not pouring. Bhai, I do think it'll be hot and you feel very hot. So you do one thing, you carry this in my bag. But this entire conversation is in the context that we're planning to drive a bit uphill and do a little jog, because we haven't done that in a while. And we live so close to proper hills, and if we don't go, what's really the point, right? And look at this. I love how the morning looks. हुक्म अंदर सबको बाहर हुक्म न कोई नानक हुक्म जे बुझे ताहु मैं कहे न कोई. Bye bye baby. Morning. I've carried this little bag on my shoulder for the tech stuff. Baby, where are you from? Okay, we finally left. It's 6:30 in the morning. We were up at 5. It's still overcast, so it's not like the sun's come out and we're too late in the summer and stuff like that. Pretty excited. Honestly, all I'm looking forward to is just being in the misty hills. I hope it's misty today, and grabbing a cup of coffee, and then we'll be back. But let's see how we feel being there and whether our soul is nourished or not. Because eventually, I think we want to move to the hills, don't we? Eventually. You saw that YouTube comment where that guy's like, you and your sister are living too comfortably.
Yeah.
My first thought was, dude, we want to get even more comfortable.
Just reply to him is just the start, bro.
But yeah, I would disagree with his comment when he said that you don't grow out, like you don't grow in comfort zones. I don't think we're doing that.
Yeah, because you see, I mean, out of comfort zone means I go to Gurgaon, rent an apartment, and get stuck in traffic.
Which is so stupid.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid. That's not the point of my life, at least, right?
That's not the point of growth altogether.
Yeah, corporations
is
have
not
convinced us that growth looks a certain way. But I think this is growth, where I can have my mind in peace and then work on my creative efforts, because my work tends to be more creative, right? Let me know how you think of as growth. Like, what is growth for you? Is it hustling, grinding, 12-hour work days, or is it something else, right? I'll appreciate your sort of perspective on this. Okay, there's some congestion, so we're reversing. I don't know what's happening. And the cool thing is the maps was diverting us. But then we roasted Vani. That just much like you, your maps are also on like drugs or something. Today does not seem like the day because we tried an alternative route, and that too is full of traffic. So we're trying a third route now. But let's see, if this doesn't work, then we'll just go home.
No, then we go to a cafe, have coffee and go home.
Yeah, then we do a cafe and then we have coffee and then we go home. That's actually not a bad idea. But look at these streets. Beauty.
Really at work, कोई बात नहीं, कहीं और है तो बता दे। मसूरी तो नहीं गई है, तेरे नहीं। I'm actually not allowed to go July में कहीं पे भी, and especially in the hills, you know. नहीं, like, you know, अकेले, because they know that I do that. ये नहीं जाना चाहिए Instagram में,
इतनी major information तूने हमें क्यों नहीं share करी अभी तक? कह रही mom, I'm gone. वो तो mom को भी पता, तुझे जानते नहीं कि mom.
My God. The dynamic of every household is so different, man. It's crazy. Hi, baby. Oh, it's church in there. Oh, this is stunning. Every time I come here, I'm like, I wonder why I don't come here. Now that I'm here, I'm not gonna come here for 6 months again. Every time I come here, I'm like, I should come here every month. In 6 months, I'm nowhere to be found because I love my comfort zone too much. But we've got to do something about that. Good morning. Good morning. The weather is beautiful. I think it's 18 degrees. Acha. It's yummy.
मैंने उसे आधा दिया क्योंकि दूसरा मैं दूसरे को दिया है।
Bro, it was yum. The cheese omelette was fire.
आंटी को अंकल को बोलते हैं।
Wow.
अंकल
अंकल चीज ऑमलेट बहुत टेस्टी था। चार दुकान, लाल टिब्बा, लैंडर बेक हाउस, Kellogg Memorial Church. Just keep going, I guess. You know, most things you want to get done, just wake up before the world has woken up and just get it done. And then carry on with the rest of your day. That's the best way to get a lot of output from your life. Wake up early, get stuff done, carry on with the day. Okay, we're stopping at 2.5 kilometers because Jasmine Kaur is extremely tired. She's worked all night. Now we'll just go grab a coffee. Chalo. Honestly, we've come here after 6 months because it's so close to home that we simply don't come out. You know what I mean?
Have you heard of a village called Saiji nearby here? That's where I'm going next.
Cappuccino या flat white latte but strong चाहिए और गरम चाहिए. ठीक है, तो 2 वो कर दो. और खाने में क्या होगा? That bun omelette was crazy. Okay, the interesting thing is I've changed my phone. My wallet's in the car. So we're out of cash and we've just ordered stuff. Calling my sister to make a UPI payment. Hello? मैंने loved ones पे एक नंबर भेजा. उस पे 870 रुपये कर दो. UPI 870. हाँ, हम लैंडर बेक हाउस में, हमारे पास पैसे ही नहीं है. हाँ जी, Jasmine ji, are you glad you came?
Yes, I am.
Yeah? Dude, leaving the house is so hard, but once you leave it, you like it. And by the way, this place is never this empty.
I like this right now because I like morning. I like going out for breakfast a lot.
And the drive wasn't troublesome.
No, it wasn't.
2-3 fallen trees here and there, but it's not troublesome at all. Thank you, Ji. So payment I? Thank you so much. That shall be our breakfast. Cheers. You know, we're having such a cool time here, and this reminds me of one of the level up weekends that we did in Landor. So we drove down in the morning and we walked and worked out, and then we sat down at that exact spot. Anyway, we do a lot of fun stuff at the level up weekend. If you want to check it out and know more about it, I'm leaving the link in the description below. It's really cool. And if not, I still recommend you visit this place, Landor, and just have fun. Do not squander time, for that is the stuff life is made of, right? It's honestly so beautiful, man. Pretty excellent decision to come. And a strength training workout has to be done because it's leg day today. I just texted Sahaj that I won't be able to make it by 11, so let's just postpone it to later in the day. Yeah, that's a duck walk. पूरा नीचे तक जाना है. From here, Landor Bakehouse was 2.5 kilometers, and then we walked the other way. That was 1.1 kilometers. So total we walked 3.6 kilometers. अब हम parking charge दे रहे हैं 150 रुपए जो sir ले रहे हैं हमसे. चलो, anyway, thanks for joining everyone. Tomorrow, yet another vlog, but rest of the day, rest of the daily systems, reading, strength training. This is so beautiful, man. I could really live here. But now, home sweet home, vamos. बट ये ऑफ लोग ही इन्वेंशंस करते हैं ना लाइफ में. हम जैसे, you have to be a little autistic in life to do something big.